G'day guys, welcome back. Davo here. I'm going to show you guys how to cook a frozen supermarket sausage roll in the air fryer. I'm going to pull it straight out of the freezer so there's no confusion and pop it straight in the air fryer. So here we go. So this one's not hard at all. All you need to do is pop it in your air fryer. Set your air fryer for 190 degrees for 15 minutes. And I like to flip it at about halfway to try and toast the bottom equally with the top. So yeah, coming back in about 7 or 8 minutes. Alright, so it's been 7 minutes. I'm just going to give it a quick flip over and close the basket again. Alright, so our 15 minutes is up. I'm just going to pull her out. Oh, that's looking great. Nice and crispy. Both sides. Temperature's great. It's crispy. It's smack on perfect. If you feel like a sausage roll, there's no need to spend half an hour in the oven. Just pop it in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 190 degrees and she'll come out super crispy and warm all the way through. Alright, thanks for watching.